Welcome to Magitudes. Today we're going to learn how to create a Twitch panel in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're using the search function because there's already loads of great templates available that we can use, and we just enter Twitch panel because this is how it's called. And you can see there's already a template for a Twitch panel, and this has the size of 320 times 100 pixels, which is quite perfect for a Twitch panel. We select it and then we start with a blank template. And the first thing we want to do is we want to select a background color. For this, we just click on the page. Then this background color setting appears. We click on it, and here you have multiple options to select a background color or a color in general. What you can do is just type in a color like green, such as green. You can type in a color such as green or blue or anything, and it shows you green colors that you can choose from. Another option is that you add a new color. You can use the slider here to find a color that you like, or you can add in the hex code, which is yet another option if you know the hex code of the color you want. Or you can use the pick a color option here. So if I would have multiple colors here, I could just click on it and it will give me the correct hex code and choose a color. What you can also do is choose one of the default colors Canva offers. So I think this purple here looks great. So I'm selecting this, and now I already have a color as a background. As a next step, we also want to use a couple of elements. So I'm going on elements here and see the available elements. So lines and shapes is often great. So I'm going to have a look at lines and shapes. I see star here, which I quite like. So I'm going to use the star. And what I can also do is once I drag and dropped the element, I can click on it and I still have the option to change the color then. So I could choose a color, let's say, maybe this turquoise, and it changes the color immediately. What I can also do is click on it, and then I go on Command C and Command V. I just copied the design. I have now just copied the element, and now I just drag and drop it so it fits. I see the helping lines, so it's added correctly. So what I also would like to add is a info icon. What I can do here is just using the search function and type in info icon, and the info icons are popping up. So I can select one that I like, such as this one. You see here the Pro. This icon is only available in the Pro version. Again, I can choose any color I want. So I'm gonna change it to this color as an example. I can then always, if it's selected, you see this bullets here on the side. They help me to resize the icon to the size I want. So I make it rather small. I put it in the lower left hand side. I move the star a bit, and this is how you resize an icon. As a next step, I also want to add in some text. So I'm going on the text here, and then I go on font combinations, because these are like sometimes different fonts combined, or a single font, and I already see how it looks like, and I really like to choose one of these fonts for things like that. So as an example, I could choose here the happy hour, and I can then just click into it and change the writing. For this here, I'm going to write about us as an example. As you see, the font size is quite too big, so I'm just decrease the size a little bit so it fits. But I would like to have the us in the yellow writing, so I'm just gonna write here us and remove the upper part. So if I want to maintain the design, I just make a duplicate and I then can create other banners and other elements with it. As a next step, I'm also giving this a name. So this is Twitch panel. Perfect. And I can then download my design. I can go and download, and it suggests me the file type PNG, which is great because it's good looking and pretty small. So I maintain this file type. I can also compress the file if I want to have it even smaller. And I can then select the pages. Since I now have 2 pages, it asked me which of the pages to download. I can here click on all pages, or I can select one of them or 2. I just select one of it, and then I'm going on down, and then I go on download, and the downloading starts, and I see here that my Twitch panel is now downloaded. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching.
Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and also hit the notification bell. Like this, you're going to tell YouTube that these videos are relevant and you're going to help us tremendously. Thank you.